Hey guys, just a short one. Today ain't sponsored by ArmorAll or Super Clean. I'm just doing a true side-by-side comparison here in cleaning my mom's 2015 Ford Explorer. Here we got two different things for cleaning this. It kills and cleans vehicles and stuff. Like it literally has vehicle and stuff here. I just sprayed a little bit there. It didn't clean it, but let's do a side-by-side comparison between the Super Clean and the ArmorAll. To make it even fair, I'll put Super Clean here and ArmorAll there. Remember, Super Clean here, just spray, spray, spray. You don't want it to dry on it. And we get the amazing ArmorAll that's meant to clean it, and we just wait. Alright, gonna be doing the ArmorAll first. Oh, you must be like, oh yeah, that looks pretty alright. Let's wait a few minutes. Come immediately straight to the Super Clean area. Remember, even more dirty here. I didn't make it, I don't know, better. Wait and see how they look. Right off the bat, it's coming back. ArmorAll, you literally have a picture about cleaning a car. Oh, you might go, oh, it's for bacteria spray. No, it's not. It's for cleaning the vehicles. Who sprays stuff like this just to, yeah, it's for cleaning the car. Oh, it's coming back. We come back to the Super Clean area, and it's not coming back. It shows the scratches over there. Yeah, literally even more is coming back. I know that over here with Super Clean, over there with ArmorAll. It's not like doing anything. I didn't dilute either or. They're just the same how they were when we bought them. So it's not like I diluted the ArmorAll and not the Super Clean. No, they're all the same. So better. You can see here, it just started recording. Once again, guys, this ain't a sponsored little video. If it was, I would be like, is Super Clean better than ArmorAll? Which it is. As you can see, ArmorAll, Super Clean, ArmorAll. There's your recycling bin because people want to recycle plastic, but you shouldn't recycle that. Literally has a picture of a vehicle cleaning. This, it does not. I didn't dilute any of them. It's just how they are. And thanks for watching this little short video. Hey, once this is nicer out, how about we do a full detail for this, the truck, and the Mustang? How about that? Subscribe to the channel for more tips, and make sure you don't do ArmorAll. Go to Super Clean, go to Whiskey-Dents. He has a discount code, or I think links for, I don't know how it goes, but yeah, maybe I'll get sponsored from Super Clean.